Yeah. Hi friends, today we are going to see about integrations and the problem. In last class we have seen one method how to solve the problem of integration. Here we are seeing the method 2 type of essays how to solve. Just see here. So this is the question. Evaluate 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. If the question is in integration and a plus b and a plus b, this type of question is there. So we have to use this trick. The first thing is numerator. Numerator is equal to a into d by dx denominator plus b of denominator. Only at the place of numerator, only at the place of this, we have to use this trick. First thing. And the formulas which we are going to use here are the basic formula d by dA of cos x is equal to minus sin x, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. And this is the again one formula of integration. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus x. What is dash? Dash means the differentiation solution. Whatever the answer is there here, just we are differentiating here the which the value is there. If it is integration, we will get log of mod f of x plus c. What is the value? Mod means yesterday as I said you will get the positive number. Just I give you 6 seconds, just 5 to 6 seconds, just copy down this important formula. Yeah, so this is the question. 2 cos, we are taking numerator. This is the numerator. Numerator, we are writing 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to a into d by dx of denominator. A into d by dx of denominator. What is denominator? 4 cos x plus 5x. 4 cos x plus 5x plus what we have here? b into denominator. b into same, the denominator value is the same. Numerator a d by dx, 4 into cos x. Cos x is minus sin x plus 5 same the 5, sin x will become cos x as we are differentiating. Plus just we are multiplying with b, 4b plus cos x plus 5b into sin x. Just we multiplied with b here. Same we have wrote here. Multiplying now with a, minus 4a sin x plus 5a, 5a, okay. Now we got here, just we are making the like terms as same. Minus 4a sin x, and here what is there? 5b sin x. Sin x we have got here. And cos x, 5a cos x, in the same way 4b cos x. Cos x and sin x terms we have kept the same. Now just we are equating the terms. This is the same question. See, sin x 2, I have taken sin x common and cos x common. So now after equating, cos x value will be 3, sin x value will be here 3 is equal to minus 4a plus 5b is the sin x value. 3 is equal to minus 4a plus 5b we have got. In the same way, this is the cos x value. Cos x value is 2 and here 5a plus 4b. Now see these two equations, this equation and this equation. Any value of a or any value of b should be made same. So just we are making the value of this a and this a same. Here minus 4, here plus 5. So just we have to multiply with plus 4 here into 4, and here we should multiply by 5 to bring these two numbers same. So 5 for the 20, minus 20a plus 5 for the 25 and 3 for the 15. In the same way, 2 for the 8, 5 for the 20, 4 for the 16. Now you see 28 minus 28. So 2 are same. Just now what we are doing? Now we are making this value, solving this value and bringing the values of a and b. Just see here. Now solve 1 and 2. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Plus 20a minus 20a we have got, and 25b plus 16b will get 41b, and 15 plus 8 is 23. If we are sending this number here, b is equal to 23 by 24. In the same way we have got the b value, in the same way we have to bring the a value too. So keeping this equation keeping this number in any one of this or this equation. So I am taking the first equation, minus 4a plus 5b is equal to 3. Minus 4a is equal to 3 minus 5b. 5b absent there. Minus 4 is equal to 3 minus b value is 23 by 41. 23 by 41. Just after solving, after multiplication, we will get all these. After cutting, we will get 2 by 41. Minus a is equal to 2 by 41. Sending this minus here, we will get minus 2 by 41. Now we have got the value of a and b. Just we have to write in the formula. So just up to till here we have finished. We have got the values of a and values of b. Now keeping this value into the answer. Now the question is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. In the place of numerator, what we have taken? A d by dx denominator plus b of denominator. So a value we got minus 2 by 41 d by dx of denominator. Denominator value is this all 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b value we got 23 by 41 and denominator by this question. Now separating this denominator for this one and this one. So this is the constant value, we are keeping it outside. D by dx of entire we have wrote by denominator plus 23 by 4 41 same this value and denominator we have wrote. What we did here, only divided the denominator into two numbers. So what is this formula? D by dx of x by x, as I inform here. F dash of x is equal to f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. Here the value is same there and here the value same is there, and here differentiation is there and also integration is there. So answer is minus 2 by 41 is the same. Log of denominator 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. We have used the formula. Plus 23 by 4 41. And these are the same, just we have cut, we will get 1 here. This we have wrote same here, 23 by 41. Integration 1, it's nothing, so we have wrote x. Integration of constant is x plus c. So minus 22 by 41 log mod of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x mod plus 23 by 41 x plus c. This is the answer. Hoping that you have understood.